Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to add product schema markup to your Squarespace website without touching any code. If you're selling products on your Squarespace website, adding product pages alone isn't enough. Search engines also need structured information about those products. Product schema markup is structured data that helps search engines understand important details about your products, such as the product name, price, availability, ratings, and other key information. However, many Squarespace stores have schema-related issues, including missing product schema, invalid structured data, incorrect product properties, missing price or availability information, theme or plugin conflicts. These issues can make it difficult for search engines to properly interpret your product pages. Schema markup is typically added using the JSON-LD format, which provides structured information that search engines can easily read and process. Manual schema implementation works for small websites, but as your product catalog grows, it becomes much harder to manage and maintain. A much easier solution is to use the JSON Schema app. This tool automatically adds schema markup to your store. Just follow these simple steps. First, create an account with the JSON Schema app. The app will scan your website and analyze your existing schema markup. It will identify any warnings, errors, and missing schema that may be affecting your SEO. Next, complete the setup by filling in all the required details and copy the generated schema script. Next, log into your Squarespace admin dashboard. Go to the website, click Pages, then click to Custom Code and select Code Injection. Paste the generated schema script into the appropriate section, then click Save to apply the changes. Now return to the JSON Schema app. The app will automatically add and manage the required schema types across your store. After completing the wizard, you'll be taken to the dashboard, where you can view your updated schema health score, monitor your schema coverage, and manage all your structured data from one place. Once the schema is added, copy your product page URL, open the Rich Results Test tool and paste the URL. Run the test and check whether the product and review schema are detected correctly. If everything is valid, your website is ready for review rich results. Also, you can validate it with the Schema Markup Validator tool. Simply copy the product page URL and paste it here and make sure everything is working correctly. And that's where the JSON Schema app comes in. It automatically adds structured data, fixes schema issues, monitors markup changes, and keeps your schema updated over time. So you can focus on growing your business while the app handles the technical work for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.